Alright, so here I'm going to bring an actual desk that hangs on the balcony. So if you have a balcony on anywhere, this is pretty much what you need. So this is, I'm using this as an example, but the thickness is here. There's a bumper stomper that you set up, but this is the actual table itself. I'm going to show you guys how I lift it. I'm going to lift it up. Alright, it's going to clip. Suddenly it clips. You could use this for your work if you have a nice beautiful area. You can set it up. Your computer, your laptop is very durable. Now it does have bumpers that I set up in here, the bottom. These are the actual clips. The bumpers are actually here, and if you want to keep it away from the wall, you can actually keep twisting them and it'll stretch it out higher and deeper. But this is pretty much how it looks. Now if you want to readjust it, take them down, all you got to do is hit this button here. Let me see, right here. You clip this one, you have to clip this one, all right, and then you do all three of them at the same time and it's gonna get down. Let me show you how to bring it down. All right, this is only for a template, a demo. Like I said, this is very sturdy. Now if you want to clip it, there's 1, 2, all right, that's 2 of them. You hold it a little bit down, pressing it down, and then the last one, 3, and then you bring it down, and that's pretty much it. Now this thing, you go adjust this part right here to actually open it even more. They have another L so you can stretch it even longer in case you have a longer wall, right? Because there's a couple of things you can stretch these out completely out, so you don't have to worry about it. And then that's it. That's pretty much it. So very durable. It took me about 30 minutes to set it up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.